Hey guys, welcome back to the other episode of our tutorial video. This is me Kate, and on today's video I will be guiding you how to log into BCCL employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. BCCL, which stands for Bharat Coking Coal Limited, is a subsidiary of Coal India Limited and is a public sector undertaking engaged in the mining of coal in the state of Jharkhand, India. Now, in order to log into your employee account, first of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer. Then on the search URL, type in employee login BCCL. Press enter on your keyboard. Now from your interface, click on this very first link that says employee login Bharat Coking Coal Limited. That will take you to this page. Now scroll down a bit and on your left hand side under employee login, you will get few options that you would like to log into your account for. So select the option that fits best for you and click on that. Then on the next page, you will be taken to login portal. First of all, you have to enter your valid username, and under that enter your correct password, and if you are done typing your username and password, click on login button, and on the next page you will be successfully logged into your account if you have provided the correct login credentials. And that's it for today, and that's how you can log into BCCL employee account. If this video was helpful, give us a thumb, subscribe, like and comment, and thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.